Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This one's very exciting and it's very fast paced. I have to empty that trunk. I have to fit in 4 new wheels. You already know by the title of the video. We're getting new wheels, by the way. If I didn't mention it. 4 tires and 4 wheels in this car and go get them mounted. So I'm in a really big rush right now because the tire place closes at like 8:30 and it's like 7 right now and I still have to unload and all of that. So I'm gonna set you down like right here and you will watch me. Okay, tires don't really fit back there. I think wheels are better. I hope they don't get scratched. Okay, so I was able to fit 2 wheels just flat, so that's perfect. Probably to put 2 tires there. I'm gonna try. I have a very unsafe, but it's okay because it's a 5-minute drive situation going on here. So I'm gonna have to like tie that down. And if you're wondering why I'm not using any of the cars in this driveway, like that Civic, because it's not mine and the keys are in here. And this will have to do. I'm gonna tie this down as, I guess, safe as possible. This isn't safe in any way. It's not gonna be safe in any way, but I will try my best. Alright, doesn't look too bad. And I have time to make it. The sitting situation in this car. Alright, I wanna show you the sitting situation in this car. This is it. This is a tire. That's a wheel. This is a tire. That's my shift knob. Wish me luck. I'm gonna make it.
The next day.
Fast forward to the next morning. Yesterday they couldn't put it on because they were about to close. They said they'll have it ready by 10 and it's like 10. I was in a huge rush yesterday, so I couldn't really explain. For those of you who don't know, I did get new wheels. And I did have a video of like literally revealing them, like as in unboxing and everything. But then my SD card crashed and I couldn't really upload it. So, and I couldn't recover the SD card either. So this will kind of be like the wheel reveal and I guess it'll have to do. Anyways, let's go to Mavis. Discount tire. 3, 2, 1. I just got here. I saw the wheels on the way in and they look so good. Oh. I'm still in the waiting room. I think they have like one tire left. Why can't you see me? Yeah, one tire left. One wheel's done. That looks so good. Let me know if you guys like it. I'll show you the fitment. Just a tad bit of poke. So if you're wondering, these are Aodhan DS02s. They're 18 by 10.5 plus 22 offset. The tires I have on there are 275 35 18s. Oh my god, that looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna put all the other tires on. It's enough to get to work. So once I put them on, I'll do like a walk around in the car and see how it looks. If you guys like it, let me know. If not, too bad. I like it. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.